Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is SugarCRM and Thryv. So to get started with a quick overview, SugarCRM is a high-powered enterprise-ready CRM designed for mid to large business. It offers a customizable workflow, AI-driven insights, and flexibility deployment option. Talking about Thryv on the other side is an all-in-one small business platform that combines CRMs with a scheduling, invoicing, social media, and a reputation management. It's designed for local service provider and the small business that want everything in one simple. Now, talking about what these two platforms are best at. So talking about SugarCRM is best for mid-sized to enterprise companies needing a deep CRM customization and automation. Then talking about Thryv on the other side, this platform is best for small business owner looking for ease to use, all-in-one business management tools. And talking about the overall conclusion, so choose SugarCRM if you need a powerful, scalable CRM with a deep automation and a customization features. On the other side, just choose Thryv if you are a small business owner who want a user-friendly, all-in-one tools for managing appointment, client, and communication, not just a CRM. Just go for Thryv. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.